How to use olive oil for dry hair. Olive oil is an excellent hair conditioner. As a hair care ingredient, it will help keep your hair hydrated, making it more manageable. It is a rich source of antioxidants which help promote scalp health while neutralizing free radicals that can have a damaging effect on your scalp and hair. Its moisturizing properties help seal your hair cuticle by forming a protective barrier over your hair shaft. This helps control frizz. Therefore, olive oil is an essential hair care ingredient, especially if you have dry hair. In this video, I will tell you that how to use olive oil for dry hair. Olive oil with avocado. You will need 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, shower cap. Method: pit and skin the avocado and then throw it into a blender. Add a little water and blend to get a smooth paste. To the avocado puree, add the olive oil and mix well. Wash your hair and squeeze out the excess water with a towel. While your hair is still damp, start applying the avocado and olive oil hair mask. Once your hair is completely covered in the mix, cover your head with a shower cap and wait for about an hour. Wash the mask out with cool water. Olive oil with coconut oil. You will need 2 tablespoons cold pressed coconut oil, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, hot towel. Method: combine the 2 oils in a bowl and heat for a couple of seconds until the blend is slightly warm. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. Massage your scalp for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cover your hair with a hot towel and wait for an additional 30 minutes. Wash the oil blend out of your hair with cool water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Olive oil with honey. You will need ½ cup raw honey, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, shower cap. Method: combine the honey and olive oil until you get a smooth mixture. Heat this mixture in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Wash your hair and while your hair is still damp, apply the mixture onto it from the roots to the tips. Once your hair is fully covered in the mixture, cover your hair with a shower cap. Wait for about 30 minutes. Wash your hair with cool water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Olive oil with egg yolk. You will need 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, shower cap. Method: whisk the egg yolks and the olive oil together until you get a smooth mixture. Apply the mixture onto your hair from the roots to the tips. Once your hair is fully covered in the mixture, cover your hair with a shower cap. Wait for about an hour. Wash your hair with cool water.